Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad. Today we're going to be working on the 70 for a little bit. I've sandblasted, soda blasted, and degreased any areas that I missed with the media blasting. So now I can start to paint it. But there's one area that I forgot here. There's this little loose part right here. That happens to be a coupler pocket. Well, I'm going to have to weld that to the frame here. I'm going to have to do a spot weld here and a spot weld right here, or a couple of short welds. Anyway, we're going to get that done right now. Of course, before you weld, you got to clean up the metal, and there's still a little bit of paint on this. So reset the guard on the grinder, and let's see how well I can get in here. It's okay. Well, that's gonna have to be good enough. I'll fix it when I get there, when I get to that point. There. That's all it has to be, like that. It doesn't need to be any tougher. Now I can paint. Now, time to add primer. This is an automotive primer. It's got some zinc in it, and hopefully it works. Shouldn't be any worse than the stuff that was on it before.
I thought it was just easy to paint a real engine.
Alright, so I got the primer on this, and now I'm eyeballing. Oops, wait a minute, try that again. I'm eyeballing down through the frame. And unfortunately, there's a substantial twist in it, about an eighth to a quarter of an inch. So I think before I put any paint on it, I'm going to do the old frame puller thing. So, well, more work to be done to this. I thought we were in a reassembly stage, but I guess not. We just got the cleanup and the primer, and now that everything's the same color, we can actually see what's actually going on. I guess I gotta go call Bill and reserve some time in the shop. Yep. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I was enjoying it until I saw that twist, and I'm not enjoying it so much anymore. Anyway, hit the like button if you like this video, share it, subscribe, yeah, all that stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna go reserve some shop time.